Man. I'm stuck, fam. Here, did my pre-trip, did my tug test. Everything worked. Hit the brakes, went to go forward. Next thing you know, I'm dragging the trailer. Like, what the hell? So apparently the brakes won't release on the trailer. Had to change the seals on the you know, the little, you dig? It's called glad hands. I had to change the seals. Went back there and knocked on the canisters. I don't know what to do. I had to switch these because the truck brakes release, you feel me? But not the trailer. I had to switch them to see if maybe it was an air supply issue back there. But really, I think it's something going on back here. That's not all from one time. That's multiple times of trying to get them to release it. And to my understanding, which is very limited, ain't nothing work. Nothing. So I'm done trying. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be all the way out there. All in the middle and shit. I'm already kind of far out. It's not just me, he out there too, man. Damn, man. Damn. Everything was going all good. It was all good just a week ago. Yeah. Ain't nothing I can do, man. I already sent in a service request message and I'm waiting to hear back from them. I called them, I ain't getting no answer. So hope y'all day got started better than mine. I'll pull this out when I got some more information, man. Peace. If I got it on camera, but he said that since it was the brake canister, the brakes wouldn't release and he didn't have a part, so it would have took longer for him to come all the way up here to his shop, come back, you know what I mean, go back and forth. Like, what if he ain't had the right parts and shit or right tools? So long story short is he took that canister off to release that wheel got all the other canisters released. So as you see, I got on the road. Now I'm here at the Young Speed Co. to get my repairs done. Man, I'm supposed to be home by tomorrow, you feel me? Early tomorrow, but now it looks like I'm gonna be home a lot later in the day, unfortunately. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and put when I can come back to work time in. But stay tuned, man, stay tuned. I still got a nice amount of time left on my clock, so whenever this can get finished, however long this take, I'm gonna drive as far as I can with the time that I have available after I pick this load up. Probably about 8 hours away from the crib or so, 9 hours. So I'll put a nice little chunk of that in today and then finish it up tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Thanks for rocking. Finally done, man. It is now 1:30 in the evening or in the afternoon. I'm about an hour and a half away. So that means I ain't gonna be able to get on the road till a lot later in the evening than I wanted to. Hey, it is what it is. rolling with the punches. Thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks for rocking. Let's go ahead and get on up out of here. Man, it feels good outside. It's like 67 degrees with a breeze. Miss that. I miss that type of weather. It ain't all muggy. This feels like perfect outside. That motorcycle weather right here. I ain't got one, but all my riders, y'all know what it is. We in here. It's 20 degrees. Yeah, definitely gotta get some fuel. Yeah, a little bit less than half a tank. I'm about almost 11 hours away from the crib. I think I got about 6 hours to drive. So I'm putting a nice little chunk in of driving time today. That way I'm on short time tomorrow. I ain't gonna be able to get there as early as I would like, but hey, it is. All right, now it is what it is, I guess. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for rocking. Really do appreciate y'all. Y'all the real MVPs around here. All right, let me do my thing. I'll holler. It's official, like a referee with a motherfucking whistle. Gonna call it a wrap on today's vlog, family. It's a wrap. I feel good about my progress today. Started off, well, I picked up my load in North Carolina. I am now in Georgia, just north of Atlanta. Like halfway home from where I started off today. Feel good about the progress. Your boy is tired though, so I pulled on over. I'll be able to get on the road by 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So I'll get home. I'll probably be home around 2 or 3 or so. That's my guess. Depends on how often I stop, or you know, if I need to use a bathroom or get hungry or something. Who knows? We'll see. Come back tomorrow. Tune in. Follow this journey. I'm dropping this load in Memphis, and I'll be home for a few days doing the family thing. And I'm excited. This the longest I've stayed out since I started trucking. And the reason being is because, you know, we had the baby, and I took a nice little amount of time off of work, so I just been out here trying to get to it, man. Get caught up on the bills, get this money up. Definitely not gonna be doing this often. I need my home time. I need my family time. You know. Hey, you gotta do what I gotta do, man. This first year of trucking is not easy. Not easy at all, but I got some goals and I got a loving and caring and understanding family, so I'm able to get some things done. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. Get ready for tomorrow, man. Hit that like button, subscribe button, come back tomorrow. Peace. Hello.
Hey.
I'm gonna get a shower. No time to close.
Oh, they stay open.
Bet.